how to add Google Ads to your Wix website. Let's first head over right here to your apps and click on your Upmarket right here. And then once you have clicked on that, this will direct you to the Wix Upmarket itself. Now from in there, just head over and then click on the search bar right here and search in here for Google Ads. So let's search in here for that. And then in here, once you have searched in here for Google Ads, you should be able to see some search results related to this one. So we have in here Google reviews, and we have in here this Google Ads and Google Shopping. So click on this one, and as you can see right here, this is actually created by Google itself right here. Now, as you can see right here, they also have some subscription, so you need to head over and subscribe to their actual product. Now, we can also head over to our Google Ads right here. And then let's see what it looked like on their site. Let's click on our Google Ads right here. And then you just need to sign in or start now if you haven't created an account yet. So if you haven't created an account yet, just head over and then sign up on the Google Ads. And then from in there, you can be able to actually add this from in there. We have in here a campaign as well as settings. Just fill it up to your liking and then just add it to your goal and their payment details. And then it will be added that any properties that you will be added right here on your Google Ads. So that's how you add Google Ads to your Wix website. Hope we help.